O sea, nos estuvimos muriendo todo el rato cerquísima del final.
Es correcto.
Toma con nosotros.
Our foe is more devious than we imagined. That spire was indeed a teleporter linked to a cloaked Covenant supercarrier, a grave threat. Thankfully, help is imminent. 60% of the UNSC fleet is en route to Reach from existing deployments. The first battle group should arrive within 48 hours.
48 hours? That's imminent? Uh-oh. Who's your money on this time?
Her.
You always pick her.
She's always had him dialed in.
That thing's crushing us and we're waiting for backup. They'll be backing up a graveyard.
All our nukes are either out system or went down with the ships that carried them. You're preaching to the converted.
How converted?
I know that look, Cat.
You can say no.
No.
You don't even want to hear it?
Fine, I'll hear it.
Remember that accident a couple years back? Colony ship en route to Cygnus, 700 dead.
Vaguely a slip space drive malfunction, right?
Actually, it worked fine. The drive was mounted improperly after a service haul-out. When it fired, it teleported half the ship to oblivion.
This is relevant. How?
A certain Covenant supercarrier could, with some assistance, suffer the same unfortunate accident.
Even for you, Cat, that's
Inspired?
not the word I would use.
What's going on?
Go ahead. Explain.
May I?
Don't cut yourself.
Objective: destroy Covenant carrier in geosynchronous orbit above us.
This sanctions, sir.
What do you think?
Oh.
Method: a slip space drive in lieu of the nukes we don't have. Delivery system: us. Solvable? Getting us up there. That and getting our hands on a slip space drive. Thank you for sharing.
So, all we need is orbit-capable transport and the single most expensive piece of equipment made by man.
As a soldier in the field, I couldn't possibly have access to those kinds of resources. That said, a good place to look might be, I don't know, the nearest non-existent launch site in the non-existent Saber program dismissed by 3 administrations as preposterous rumor, and in which our newest member was certainly never a pilot.
It's scary. You know that.
All we need is a green light from Holland.
Good luck with that.
You're the one asking him.
Well, there's no way in hell he's gonna go for this.
Bit of a hike to the launch facility.
Any closer is too hot to land.
Copy that, Commander.
Move up the beach, Noble.
Creo que ya empezamos.
¿Está retenido con esta cinemática?
Enemy transport inbound.
Launch facility. Dead ahead.
Literalmente pegué 2 tiros más solo para reanimar. Me salen un cosillo exactitud porque no me salen y ojos de águila que
Ok.
qué feo, no, espera, sí. Ah, bueno, un balazo.
Yo sí me morí.
chavalo.
that door, Commander.
Heavy armor rolling up.
Ouch.
Here I come.
Me quedé transportado.
Creo que aquí había espada. Perdón.
Tight squeeze.
10 de 10.
Pero tiene que sobrevivir la misión.
Me cago en todo. Voy.
George, 6. Get to the Saber before the Covenant wrecks.
Venga, poco se habla de este soldado. Este chavalo se cargó al elite con espada. Está duro el tipo.
Mierda, nosotros.
Struts disengaged. Commencing launch in T-minus 5, 4, 3, 2. First stage engine burn nominal. Stage separation in 3, 2, 1. Stage separation. Second stage ignition confirmed.
María.
También.
Como el que tiene viajes.
Todo mal. Oye, hace un rato que veníamos de vuelta. Francisco estaba jugando. En esta parte no se puede morir, así se supone que pierde la espada. Así que juegue
Ajá.
todo lo que pueda.
Colonel Holland?
Que Francisco estaba jugando American Switch. Lo volteé a ver ni 8 segundos de gameplay y casi me mareo. Lamentable mi sistema. No sé ni qué sistema, pero algo dice que el
Estudio
asunto.
procrear.
Ah, es cierto, teníamos que acercarnos todos aquí.
Submit actual to Saber teams. Be advised, we have bogies inbound.
Ah, no.
Anchor 9 to all UNSC ships. Station defenses are down. Requesting combat support until we can bring them back online.
Here we go, 6. Show them what you can do.
Defensive batteries are at 56%. Hang in there, Saber teams. Anchor 9 are to UNSC ships. Impulse drive signatures detected. Fighter class. Heads up, Sabers.
Saber teams, use your guns to take down their shields. Then hit them with your
Casi me
missiles.
choca una de esas.
Eso baja creo que todo el escudo.
defensive batteries at 79%. Buy us another minute, Saber teams. Anchor 9er to all craft in the vicinity. Be advised we show a large attack force inbound. Combat air patrol and Saber teams are directed to engage and defend the station.
Casita, si siente que se va a morir, sobrevuela por esta zona que en teoría defendemos. Si se
Anchor
esconde
9 to all
atrás casi
UNSC ships.
sí la persiguen,
Station
pero no
defenses
tanto.
are back online. Clear the lane.
Okay.
We'll light 'em up.
Déjame en paz, ¿quién eres? ¿Qué te hice? Feo. ¡Morite! Volverá.
Anchor 9 to Saber teams. Phantoms are inbound on Vector 7, Mark 49.
Ok, lo venimos a la parte que considero más difícil. ¡Échalo!
Anchor 9 to all UNSC fighters. Multiple inbound Phantoms, headed straight for our defensive batteries. Saber teams, we're marking high-value gunboat targets now.
Ah, salió. Más. Pero se va a bajarle y se patanea.
Fijo. Es el único rato que medio me ha dejado la torre de esta. Y ahora me gafa.
Igual queda una parte más volando. Esa sí es
Anchor
dura la
9
que queda.
to UNSC ships. All
¿Por
targets
qué?
neutralized. Bravo 029er, you are clear to dock. Activating marker.
Ah, no, mentira, no es aquí aún.
Holland to Bravo 029er.
No me
Double
acuerdo.
5, you ready to go?
Affirmative, Colonel.
¿Qué es esto? No, no me acuerdo. Ah, no, sí, es después de esto. Espera.
I'm out here, 6.
Warning. M-Spec re-entry pack disengaged.
I need your override.
Warning. M-Spec re-entry. Cockpit depressurization complete. Canopy release lever armed.
Uy.
Siempre me ha dado gracia que el color distintivo de Jorge
Let's
es
have a look,
como el amarillo.
Noble 5, please repeat.
Pull up surface grid 19 by 22.
Gladly. Only sword base, sector 18G.
Thermal enhance.
Noble 5, your pulse is elevated. There is nothing you can do for Dr. Woolsey and the others inside sword base. The mathematics are determinate. Noble 5?
I know.
Bravo 29er, you're cleared to re-engage thrusters.
Noble 6, this is Holland.
Go ahead, Colonel.
We've flagged a Corvette-class vessel on a predicted docking track with our target. Get our makeshift bomb on that Corvette, and we have our delivery system. Noble 5 will escort the bomb. I need your Saber team to clear the way for boarding.
Understood, Colonel.
As she's already donated her slip space drive to the cause, the Savannah will be joining you to provide local fire support.
UNSC Savannah. Our wings may be clipped, but we've got your back.
I've stuck my neck out for Noble on this one, Lieutenant.
We'll get it done, Colonel. 6 out.
Target Corvette sighted within visual range of nav beacon RA-15.
We have visual. Target confirmed.
Frigate Savannah in position. Saber team, sound off.
Echo 1, all systems nominal.
Echo 2, good to go. Echo 3, systems green.
Echo 4, all systems online.
Solid copy. We are currently jamming the Corvette's comms. Hit it hard while it can't call for help.
Agreed. Saber teams, clear a path to that Corvette.
Damn, Seraphim, weapons free. Good hunting. Scratch one bogey.
Might want to clip her engines, Colonel. See if we can slow her down.
Good thinking, Savannah. That'll make boarding her a whole lot easier. Noble 6, I'm marking targets.
Okay, ahora eso me
Take out
caso
the
de
Corvette's
ir a
main
eso.
engines.
Heads up, Sabers. Multiple impulse drive signatures detected.
Puedo usar la
More bogeys
navezota de
incoming.
Scuad.
Echo 2 to
Ahí,
Savannah
drop.
Actual. Where are the reinforcements coming from? I thought the target was jammed.
Must be squadrons coming back from patrol, Echo 2.
Don't let any of them get away, Sabers. Kill them before they bug out and warn that supercarrier what we're up to.
Warning. Energy flares detected in the Corvette's aft launch bays.
Putting rounds on targets. Down.
Dot, analyze all available data on that Corvette. Find a way inside.
Scans indicate a structural weakness surrounding a platform on top of the vessel.
Noble 6, set down immediately on that Corvette's topside landing pad.
Uf, ya sobreviví.
Ya puede tener su espada para pelear ahora sí.
Ahora sí.
Noble 6, the Savannah's countermeasures won't work forever. Find a way inside and permanently disable that cruiser's communications. As soon as we're sure the Corvette can't squawk, we'll initiate Uppercut Phase 2. Holland to Savannah. Enemy comm relay is now offline.
Copy that.
Ahí
Halting
corriendo con
countermeasures,
espada y casi
diverting
le
all
vuelve un
power and
escopetazo.
personnel to weapons.
All right, Noble.
Ay.
Let's get that slip space bomb on board. 6, head for the hangar.
Que ya limpiaron tan rápido, qué eficientes.
Colonel, on our way to the hangar.
Noble 5, meet him there.
Ah,
Affirmative. On approach.
Uy, ahora sí. ¡Oh! Rayo láser me mató.
estás bien.
Voy por mi espada. No dudo demasiado en caer.
Ah, hace un rato sí fue Wii. Ahora ya no.
Ay. No.
Ya no Wii.
Ya no Wii, me morí otra vez por culpa de eso. Es que dudo demasiado en caer y me hacen demasiado daño. O sea, sigue siendo Wii, pero...
Es más,
Sí.
¿Cómo que?
O sea, hasta me es muy divertido brincar. Hasta relajante.
¿Qué he hecho, soldado?
6, go
Es
for
más,
those ship
podría
controls.
hacer
I
esto
need
todo
in.
el día.
No. Tardaría mucho jugando. ¿Qué dice ese chaval?
Ah, uy.
Powder keg is aboard, Colonel.
Copy that. 6, get your fire team to the bridge. The Corvette's refueling run with the supercarrier will have to be initiated manually.
Yes, sir.
5, stay with the bomb and discourage the curious.
My pleasure. Hear that, Lieutenant? I'll be all by my lonesome back here. Make it quick, would ya?
6. Get that Corvette moving toward the supercarrier. Head for the bridge. Find the nav controls.
We got plenty of arms and ammo to meet him spot.
Venga. Ay, ay, yo me tapé. Ah, es que yo... Razón se movía tan rápido. Les no me asusto, por Dios.
Savannah to Holland, sustaining major structural damage. We need to break off, Colonel.
Copy, Savannah. Our team is in. Disengage.
Break off! Break off! Hull breach! Reactor's flaring! Damn it, I'm losing her!
Sí.
Muerta
Murieron
estoy.
los dos.
Savannah action. Can you hear me?
Pero ese chavalo, quédate quedito.
Frigate's gone, 6. Nothing we can do.
Ah.
Noble, you're in deep with no cover. Get that Corvette moving and get the hell out of there.
Yo creí que había que activar algo aquí, pero me acordé que es que en Halo Infinite había un modo juego. Enemigos.
Looks like the bridge, Spartan. Let's clear it out.
Está pescado. No. Invisible no se volver.
Por 2-1 que se hizo volver invisible.
¿O no?
Es que ya había una espada.
Put that Corvette on a refueling track to the supercarrier.
No
Lo
me
único es que no
dejan.
sé.
Ah, ya era aquí. Qué pendejo.
Well done, Noble 6. Uppercut initiated. Corvette is underway.
El chavalo decía que hiciéramos la... Teníamos que hacer rápido. Y yo, no me dejan. Y era que había que activarlo en otro lado. No era donde yo estaba.
At your earliest convenience, Noble 6.
¿Qué haces ahí?
Venía saliendo por ahí. Hay que cubrir todos los ángulos.
Va a haber unos pasos de Michael Jackson muy raros. Oiga, pero ahí no la guadaña eso, ¿qué? Qué susto, me dio una puerta. A la rata. Oh, perdón, muero. ¡Ya, corre! Solo para atrás, a echar Tommy.
Muerta.
Alijado. No tienes cubo. Ya se murió, ¿verdad?
¿Dónde estaba el gancito?
¿Qué?
Usted para ir. Cuando se murió es que yo me dejé mi espada.
No, güey.
Tiene una granada y toca no lleva uno de los nuestros sin querer.
Sí, pero es ¡Chalo! ¡Rambo! ¡Uy, sigue vivo!
Gigantito ya.
Acabo de ver a un elite. ¡Dios! Suban el sueldo a este. Joder. Estoy diciendo, ¿no? ¿Comieron su caritas estos chavalos?
Savannah did a number on the door. There's no way back up to the sailors.
Momento
Level
triste.
6, form up on me.
Porque me la acerco.
Distance is
te lo voy a
closing
los
on this vessel's refueling track with the Covenant supercarrier. 76 seconds to endpoint.
So, it's gonna be like that. Well, I got good news and bad news. This bird took some fire and our thruster gimbal is toast, which means the only way off this slag heap is gravity.
And the good news?
That was the good news.
At current velocity, 53 seconds to endpoint.
Yeah. Bad news is, time is fried. I'm gonna have to fire it manually.
That's a one-way trip.
We all make it sooner or later. Better get going, Six. They're gonna need you down there. Listen, Reach has been good to me. Time has come to return the favor. Don't deny me this. Tell him to make it count.
Slip space rupture detected.
Gamma station control, reading multiple pings below the orbital defense
Slip
grid.
space rupture detected.
Yeah,
¿Qué sirve
we're
el
picking up an anomaly
sacrificio?
too. Are you reading
Slip
it?
space rupture
Multiple
detected.
covenant signatures.
Slip space
Does anyone
rupture
have a
detected.
everywhere? If you have, must be the whole damn covenant
Slip
fleet.
space rupture detected.